Hello, welcome to the EMP Tech Group. Back out in the shop with Jake. We're shooting a video while Jake is working because he's kind of on a deadline here. And we got a great project going on. And this is the shop, and a lot of times we clean it up before we shoot the videos. Not today because you're in the middle of full production mode, Jake. And what we have is two of these. And this is an 80-20 structure, the black plastic on it. When you look inside, you'll see those are vision inspection.
Yeah, 78.
Yeah. So lighting, smart cameras for doing inspection. This is more of the same that we've already done for a customer, right? And you've watched our videos at all. You've seen some oil products going through with RFID on them and things like that. And in this case, they're adding a new production line. And this is to inspect that new production line. And there's two of these. There's one of them here and one over there on the conveyor that we'll get some B-roll footage of. It's just kind of there for a prop. Your big controls cabinet here. So two cameras in each one of these, two lights in each one of these. You're doing the controls for both. And what's on the controls there?
We got a PLC,
okay.
So we'll control the trigger and pass-fail, that kind of stuff, stack light. And then we made it a little bigger. They've got RFID on all their other lines. There's a good chance they'll add that in the near future. So
I see you got RFID, so you got your future, and you'll do one of what I see right here for another project probably, but an FX9600 fixed mount RFID reader. So future proofing for the RFID that's inevitably going to come. So products going underneath here. What are you inspecting for? What are you looking for?
One of them's looking at a top and bottom label.
Okay.
And the next one is inkjet.
Ah. Okay, so you're looking to make sure the label's there?
Yeah, and the correct label.
And the right label. Are you doing that via barcode, or are you doing that via text, or how are you?
Both.
Both. Nice. Okay, so you're using the OCR that's built into the cameras, and also scanning the barcode to make sure it's right. Is that a match code, or you?
Yeah, so like we've got an existing app that we wrote that they're using on all the other lines. And
so
they load a job with a barcode scanner, they scan their
okay, so we're checking everyone to make sure, because what happens is the wrong product gets introduced, or the labeler runs out of labels and somebody changes and now the wrong labels.
Yeah, and it's oil, so it's like, you know, it might be 30 instead of 40 on it, but everything else on the label is the same. So
okay, nice. Okay, so that's the first station. The second station, what are you doing?
Inkjet.
Okay.
Text, so we're checking that it's there, and then I think we're just checking that there's different boxes, like physical boxes for the products too, making sure it's the right box in that sense.
Okay, so ensuring the right box is being used and that the inkjet mark is on there, not necessarily doing the OCR to make sure it's the right data.
I don't think so. No.
But the inkjets will run out of ink, will do all kinds of problems. All of a sudden you got lots of product going by not getting marked, so you're making sure that doesn't happen. Cool. Well, gosh, it so showcases what you're doing here for us, Jake, and what we're doing in general. Custom built structure. You've designed it, cut all the plastic, cut all the 80-20, assembled it. The controls cabinet where will this go? Will it go on one of these structures?
Right between them, like right onto the conveyor.
So because you've got these two readers, two of these, and they're 10, 15 feet away?
30 feet apart from each other.
30 feet. And so the controls are going to be shared for both of those.
Yep.
You go this week to install it.
Yes.
Yeah. So, and actually this project's only a couple weeks old. I remember when this got booked, it was maybe 3 weeks ago. And again, fantastic local repeat customer. We keep doing this over and over for them. We love them. They love us. It's a happy thing. Cool. So machine vision, doing inspection, doing OCR, making sure the right box is there, making sure there's a code on there that's supposed to be on there, making sure that the customer puts out great product every time. So that's a lot of what we do. So I'm going to shut up and let you get back to work. EMPTechGroup.com, always the best place to find us. Thanks for watching today.